Display Form Entries is a WordPress plugin that allows you to display Gravity form submissions directly on the front end of your website using flexible layouts and powerful customization options. In this video, we'll show you how to customize colors, borders, spacing, typography, and layout styling for your entry displays. Let's get started. Open the Style tab inside the container. Style section, you can customize the main container appearance. For example, you can change the background color using the color picker. Next, you can customize the border color. You can also make the border darker or lighter. The border width can also be adjusted. The maximum width is 10 pixels. For example, I'll set it to 7 pixels. You can also customize the border radius. For example, I'll set it to 20. You can also customize the item listing background color. The same styling options apply to the card view as well. Under the spacing section, you can adjust top and bottom spacing. Inside typography settings, you can manage font sizes, label typography, and font weight. You can preview all typography changes live. You can also customize value font sizes and text styling. Now I'm going to save these settings. After refreshing the page, you can see all styling updates applied successfully. Thanks for watching. Display Form Entries makes it easy to display, manage, and customize Gravity form submissions on the front end of your WordPress website without custom development. To learn more about the plugin, explore additional features, or get started today, check out the link in the description below.